Clarence Thomas, the Supreme Court's unyielding dissenter. In the 2024 term, Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas has distinguished himself by dissenting more frequently than any of his colleagues, including the court's liberal justices. Despite a 6-3 conservative majority, Thomas's unique judicial philosophy has led him to oppose the majority in several significant cases, dissenting patterns and notable cases. As of March 2025, the Supreme Court has issued 17 opinions for the 2024 term. Justice Thomas dissented in 4 of these cases, surpassing his peers in opposition frequency. For instance, in June 2024, Thomas was the sole dissenter in a major gun rights case where the court upheld a federal gun ban for individuals under domestic violence restraining orders. He argued that the government lacked historical precedent to strip Second Amendment rights based on potential threats, emphasizing his strict interpretation of constitutional rights. Additionally, Thomas dissented in cases involving climate change lawsuits and school admissions policies. In December 2024, he opposed the court's decision to reject an appeal concerning admissions policies at elite public high schools in Boston, which allegedly discriminated against white and Asian students by using criteria based on postal zip codes, family income, and GPA. Thomas, along with Justice Samuel Alito, believed the policy warranted the court's review, reflecting his willingness to challenge precedents he deems inconsistent with the Constitution. Expert perspectives on Thomas's jurisprudence. Legal scholars note that Thomas's frequent dissents stem from his distinctive interpretation of the Constitution. Stephen Wormiel, a constitutional law professor at American University Washington College of Law, observes that Thomas has his own views of the Constitution and federal laws, and he has never been shy about putting them out there whenever the spirit moves him. Similarly, Michael Gerhardt, a professor at the University of North Carolina, remarks that Thomas takes the most extreme positions contrary to settled constitutional law and challenges precedent more extensively than any other justice. Implications for the court's dynamics. Thomas's independent stance highlights the ideological diversity within the Supreme Court's conservative bloc. His willingness to dissent, even when isolated, underscores a commitment to his originalist interpretation of the Constitution. This approach not only influences the court's deliberations, but also signals to lower courts and future litigants the potential for shifts in legal doctrines.